viewers have asked why I use a stain. Now, mostly I use a stain just because I really want to use the depth, all that carving that I put into it. When I use a stain, it gets right into those crevices. And it really adds a nice dark color that's not going to go away, and it's going to sort of be in the background and add that little bit of punch of darkness that I really need in some of my carvings. So that's why I use it. I hope you try it. Stop right here and just point out right here this technique. I'm using the brush to dabble on color. So I'm not really painting it in a swatch, but I'm dabbling it on. So it doesn't really put it on 100%. It's almost transparent. And what it'll do, it'll give just a hint of that color and show the original color underneath. And I think it's really good for adding depth. So use it. different brush sizes I'm using. Some are big and thick and they're laying on color nice and wide and perfect. And then there's other ones that are really slim and I'm using just a tippity tip. You want to do that too. You want to go ahead and have an array of brushes for you to use. They're just like tools. You don't want just one because you're going to need to do big swatches of colors and then little details. And then a medium brush just to put in dabbles of colors. Noticed how I take my pot and I turn it around and I put it upside down and I lay it on my lap and I do all sorts of crazy things. Now that's so that I don't drop it. And also I can get to those carvings. I can get to it. I want to make it as easy as possible for me. So more than likely it's going to be easier for you. So move that pot around. Get yourself a nice little turntable. I love mine. And move your pot around. Make it easier on yourself to get down and paint or get up and paint. So move around. use these bands of, or frames of white in my pots, and I usually use those to sometimes break up the heavy sort of graphic areas that are just really full of, you know, dragonflies and hummingbirds and turtles. So I kind of use it as a break to your eye, but also just sort of to frame those areas. And I use Lido, a really nice sort of pearly white to pop off of those richer colored sort of fuller areas. So I suggest you should try that in your pots too. You might like it, you might not like the white areas, but you should try it, because as potters we should try things we're not sure if we're going to like or not, and that's what we have to do on our pots, I think, to get better. So try it. Is there something you want me to show you? Is there something you want to learn? Leave it in the comments below, and I'll go ahead and work that video up for you guys, because I want you to know everything I know as well as I know.